How to change payment method Amazon. In order to change the payment method Amazon, you can follow this simple steps. So first thing first, open your Amazon application, log into your account. After which you want to tap on the menu bar at the bottom of the page and go to account section. So when you go to the account section, there you want to scroll down and look for payment section, right? So go to your payment from the list. Now over here I've not added a payment method, but if you've already added one, you could find the edit button right next to it. You could first of all delete the one that's present, or delete the one of the card that is at the moment connected to your Amazon account, or remove it, and then you could go ahead and add in a new one. And this is how you could change payment method. Similarly, you could also add in a multiple payment method if you like, and that's how it actually works. So while doing this procedure, you want to make sure your application is completely up to date, and also that you're connected to a stable internet. With that being said, we've come to an end. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.